Yes, welcome back. Welcome back to EDUHUNT IIT and NEET Foundation classes. This is Sukumar, your chemistry mentor. So we are doing 7th class mains model mole concept worksheets, and this is the worksheet number 2. Atoms of which of the following elements exist independently? So the question is about for which of the following elements the atom can exist independently. See, obviously the answer will be helium or argon also, right? You know very well. Inert gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, these are called inert gases or noble gases, and there is one more name for this is called monoatomic gases. Why these elements are called monoatomic gases? Because in all these elements the atom has a completely filled outermost shell, or the outermost shell of the atom is having octet. Except helium, rest of them will have complete octet. So the atom itself is stable. We know that in the chemical bonding chapter we discussed that atom will try to release a loss electron or gain electron to get stability, right? To get stability only an atom is making bonds with other atoms. So in the case of these elements, the outermost shell is already having octet. So the atom can exist independently. Moving towards next question. Which of the following exist independently? Again same kind of question, but the point is atom can exist independently. See, atom can exist independently, it is wrong. In generally, matter is made up of atoms. You take any matter is made up of atoms, but in all matters atom is in bonding with other atom, except in the case of inert gases. Atom will not exist independently. So for single option, if we go for single option, atoms can't exhibit independently except for inert gases. Ions can't exist independently. See, if I take Na plus ion can't exist independently without another anion. Okay, so like this. So there is a repetition of Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus, Na plus Cl minus. Like this, there is entire crystal is formed. So single Na plus or single Cl minus can't exist. So that is also not possible. Molecules. Yes, a molecule can exist independently. Right? Yes, because you take CO2 molecule, you take H2 molecule, you take ammonia molecule. So one molecule can exist freely, independently, whether there is other molecule present or not. One molecule can exist. So the best answer, single option best answer can be that one. Next, the type of forces that holds that atoms together in a molecule. See, if you take Cl2 molecule, between chlorine and chlorine there is a covalent bond, right? Yes. If you take methane molecule will be like this. In methane molecule, one carbon bonded with 4 hydrogens, and all these bonds are covalent bonds only. Okay. Now what about ionic bond? See, ionic bond exists between ions, not atoms. There is Na plus ion, there is Cl minus ion. Between these Na plus and Cl minus, there exists a electrostatic force of attraction. That force of attraction we named as ionic bond. But ionic bond present between ions, not atoms. So gravitational force is ridiculous, magnetic force is not. Okay. The best answer is the covalent bond. The type of force. This is the bond. Bond is nothing but the force of attraction. This is the covalent bond. But actually what is covalent bond? Covalent bond means a type of force of attraction which holds the two atoms together in a molecule. So the answer is the first option. Okay, now moving towards question number 4. Which of the following is the smallest particle of matter that exists independently? See, the smallest particle of matter which can exist independently can be atom only, right? Next, question number 5. In question number 5, we have been given a group. In this A, we are having H2O and methane and NH3. Okay, fine. Similarly, in the B group, we have been given H2, N2, O2, F2. Okay, fine. A group and B group is given, and what is the question? We need to check the 4 options. Okay, fine. A contains homogeneous molecules. See, a homogeneous molecule means what? Homogeneous molecule means molecule made up of same atoms, same kind of atoms. So, this is heterogeneous molecule. So, this is wrong. B contains heterogeneous molecules. Here, H2 molecule is made up of same atoms. So, actually these are homogeneous molecules, and B option saying that B contains heterogeneous molecules. So, that is also wrong. A contains heterogeneous molecules, yes. B contains homogeneous molecules, yes. Both the options are correct. Okay? Yes. Next, question number 6. In which of the following the smallest particles existing in diatomic form? See, smallest particles, they are talking about smallest particles existing in diatomic form means they are talking about molecules. That means among these options, which molecules are in diatomic form? But actually, hydrogen will exist in diatomic form, oxygen gas exists in diatomic form, nitrogen gas molecule exists in diatomic bond, even fluorine. See, all the options are correct here. All are correct. The number of atoms present in the molecule is called atomicity. Yes. If you take a molecule, the number of atoms present in that molecule is called atomicity. Then the atomicity of phosphorus and sulfur. See, phosphorus will be P4 and sulfur will be S8. So, 4 and 8. Okay. Phosphorus is tetraatomic and sulfur is octaatomic. Just like oxygen exists as O2, nitrogen exists as N2 molecule, sulfur exists as S8, octaatomic, and phosphorus exists as P4, 4 atoms in one molecule. Which of the following exist in monoatomic form? Monoatomic means inert gases, monoatomic gases, helium, neon, argon, all is the best option. Next, question number 9. Which among the following takes part actively in a chemical reaction? See, we know that these monoatomic gases are otherwise called as inert gases because the monoatomic gases, those atoms are already stable. They won't participate in reactions. So that's why helium, neon, argon, all the 3 are monoatomic gases, inert gases. They won't take part in the reaction. So none is the best option. Moving towards question number 10. Match the following. Sodium, monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic. Sodium actually metallic form, metallic bond. Helium can be monoatomic. Oxygen, diatomic. Ozone will be O3, triatomic. Sulfur, S8, you can take it polyatomic. So 2P. For 2, P1 and 2P unda poni best. Yes. So sodium also monoatomic. See, it is not correct to say sodium as monoatomic because it is metallic. Okay. For this question options, if I take 1 and 2P, and 3 oxygen, oxygen Q, and for 4 ozone, triatomic R, 4R, and for sulfur 8. Yes, okay, A is the best option.